Crypto coins stay a top decision for financial backers because of their rewarding open doors. While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary likely in different coins. Digital currencies like the torrential slide have turned into a top pick for financial backers. The notoriety of the torrential slide network has been ascribed to its vigorous essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange velocities and versatility. With an ongoing return on initial capital investment of 3,337.96%, the organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed essentially, offering a magnificent possibility for what's to come. In any case, doing a reasonable level of effort is essential prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about authentic value patterns and specialized investigation to know the best chance to trade your crypto coin. In this way, if you need to put resources into torrential slide and need a definite examination, we have one for you. We will examine the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can come up with an optimal system for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide, AVAX outline. In the first place, we want to get an outline of the coin to grasp its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top-performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Thusly, it has turned into the top pick for the majority financial backers lately. The ongoing cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto environment. The organization has a flow supply of 310,564,672. And a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide is expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's right now in areas of strength for a pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% in the last mo. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have radically fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2. The Russian intrusion, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of explanations for torrential slide's extraordinary cost fall. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its imaginative subnet usefulness. This permits a rich biological system of blockchains to be fabricated. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivation program is to help the improvement of new biological systems. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a WEB3 DApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15%. In the event that the organization's improvements proceed, notwithstanding, assuming the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the cash devalues, then it could drop to $13.76. In light of the potential situations in general, the normal cost of the digital currency by 2023 could be around $14.745. Financial backers ought to recollect that these costs are likely to change because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is imperative to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your venture. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2024. Specialists and experts have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024. Since the notoriety and the attention to computerized resources would build, the interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. Along these lines, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgements and new appropriations, which would push the cost of the cryptographic money higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolics worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65. On the off chance that the crypto resource goes through huge liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. In any case, to keep up with its worth, a harmony in the exchange practices of the business could assist the digital money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2025. It is certain in the expectation of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to dissect the verifiable information of the cryptographic money. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. On the off chance that the altcoin gets impacted by regrettable feelings or administrative limitations, the cost of the cryptographic money could tumble to $22.77. Be that as it may, in the event that it can defeat these deterrents, the cost of the digital currency could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation in cryptographic money will increment essentially by 2025. In this manner, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. Nonetheless, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin due to these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements and the financial circumstance that will affect the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide, AVAX, long haul gauge 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution pointers, it turns out to be somewhat difficult to anticipate the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Not at all like stock, no monetary records, explanations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By and by, we have gathered information from different examination devices to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most elevated exchanging worth can be around $930, while the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will quite often contribute for a drawn-out period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide, AVAX value examination. The torrential slide digital currency was unveiled in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a quick flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 continuously 7-day stretch of February. Notwithstanding, the coin's worth declined for the following half year, prior to arriving at an unsurpassed high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some highs and lows, it's seen a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The instability of the cryptographic money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%. Given the ongoing ideal market cap, this moment is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource. Albeit the cost of AVAX has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise venture for those are hoping to add a couple of mint pieces to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin changed between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been ascribed to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As per the ongoing information